For years, there has been a gaping hole between the high-resolution R5 and the speed-oriented R3, a gap that many thought Canon was too superstitious to fill because of the number 4. But the wait is officially over. Today, we are diving into the most disruptive camera release of the decade, the Canon EOS R4. This isn't just another incremental upgrade. It is a 60-megapixel stacked sensor beast designed to do one thing: end the dominance of the competition. If you've been hovering over the buy button for an R5 Mark II or even a flagship R1, you need to hear this. We have authentic specifications that suggest the R4 is incorporating red digital cinema color science and a cooling system made of graphene. This is the Goldilocks camera we've been waiting for, and it might just be the last camera you ever need to buy. The camera industry has just hit a breaking point. While the world was focused on other flagship launches, Canon was quietly engineering a unified flagship that merges elite resolution with sports-level speed. The EOS R4 is coming for the crown. We are looking at why this specific model is being called a total industry disruptor. We're talking about a high-resolution sensor option, internal 8K 60p RAW recording with zero crop, and a new AI-driven action priority autofocus that can actually predict where a subject is moving before they even take a step. For professional shooters looking for that ultimate edge, these specifications change the entire gear roadmap for 2026. This is the full, authentic spec sheet of the EOS R4, from the debut of Eye Control AF 2.0 to a revolutionary thermal management system that promises to end the overheating era once and for all. To understand why the EOS R4 is such a massive leap forward, we have to look at the heart of the machine, the sensor. According to the most credible data circulating in 2026, Canon is utilizing a staggering 60.3 megapixel Back-Illuminated Stacked CMOS sensor. This is the sweet spot resolution that provides enough detail for high-end commercial work while maintaining a readout speed fast enough to virtually eliminate rolling shutter. This isn't just about bigger prints. It's about the data. We're looking at a camera that can output massive files using internal neural network upscaling. Imagine taking a photo and being able to crop in significantly while still maintaining pin-sharp clarity. With a stacked sensor, Canon is offering the perfect blend of detail and speed. Speaking of speed, the R4 is confirmed to hit 40 frames per second in electronic shutter mode with absolutely zero blackout. That puts it right in the territory of the most expensive flagship bodies. But the real magic happens in the processing. The EOS R4 features the new Digic accelerator paired with the Digic X processor. This dual-engine setup allows for action, priority autofocus. This isn't just face or eye tracking. The camera actually recognizes specific sports, like soccer or basketball, and understands the physics of the movement. It can identify a ball in midair and automatically shift focus to the person most likely to receive it. For wedding photographers, this means the camera can stay locked on a subject's eyes, even through a crowded dance floor or moving obstacles. This is the most advanced AI we have ever seen in a consumer-grade body. Now, we must discuss the video capabilities. Canon's acquisition of red digital cinema is finally bearing fruit. The EOS R4 is the first R-series camera to fully integrate red's color science and red log profiles directly into the internal menus. This is a total game changer for cinematographers. We are looking at internal 8K 60p RAW recording and 4K 120p oversampled from the full width of the sensor. No crops, no compromises. And for those worried about heat, Canon has a radical solution. The R4 is utilizing a graphene cooling system. Graphene is significantly more thermally conductive than the copper or magnesium used in previous models, allowing the R4 to dissipate heat across the entire body. This means unlimited 8K recording in standard room temperatures. For the hybrid shooter who needs to switch from a high-res fashion shoot to a professional documentary set, this solves every previous limitation. Beyond the internal specs, the software ecosystem is getting a major overhaul. Canon is introducing a new cloud-first workflow that allows the R4 to upload proxy files directly to frame.io while you are still shooting. This means an editor in a different country can start cutting your footage seconds after the shutter. Clicks. This integration of hardware, AI, and cloud connectivity marks a shift in how professional media is produced. The camera even features a dedicated programmable dial for AI functions, giving you tactile control over the subject tracking sensitivity in real time. The physical build of the R4 is also seeing a massive upgrade. It is a perfect size, larger, and more ergonomic than the R5 series, but without the integrated vertical grip of the R3. This makes it modular. You can keep it light for travel or add a high-performance battery grip for long production days. We're also seeing a 9 million dot electronic viewfinder, which is basically like looking through an optical window. The brightness levels are expected to reach 2000 nits, making it usable even in the harshest midday sun. Connectivity is another huge focus for the premium market. The R4 includes built-in 5G and Wi-Fi 6E, allowing photographers to beam high-res files directly to a client's server or social media team in real time without needing a bulky transmitter. How much will this cost? Canon knows they have a winner here, and the pricing reflects its position as a unified flagship. The price for the U.S. market is sitting between $4,499 and $4,799. While that might seem like a premium, consider that it effectively replaces the need for both a high-resolution body and a high-speed sports body. It is the one-camera solution. As for the release date, all signs point to an official announcement in late Q2 2026, with shipping starting in the late summer. This timing is strategic, hitting the market just as professional shooters are looking to gear up for the busy fall season and major global events. The Canon EOS R4 isn't just a new model. It's a statement of intent. It proves that Canon is no longer playing it safe. By merging the high-resolution world with the high-speed world and adding the cinematic DNA of RED, they've created a powerhouse. If you are currently using an older mirrorless system, the R4 is the first compelling reason in years to consider a total upgrade. It's faster, smarter, and tougher than anything in its class. This is the camera that finally brings the number 4 into the spotlight, and it looks like it was worth the wait. We want to know your thoughts on this. Is 60 megapixels with a stacked sensor the dream setup for you, or were you hoping for even higher resolution? Does the integration of red color science make this a must-buy for your video work? Let us know your perspective in the comments. We're dedicated to bringing you the most authentic high-speed tech news before anyone else. Stay tuned as we continue to track every new leak and official update as it happens. Whether you're shooting on the streets of New York, the sidelines of a stadium, or a cinema set in London, the EOS R4 is designed for you. This has been a deep dive into the gear that actually matters. Keep shooting, keep creating, and we will see you in the next update.